Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you about how I changed my shifter on my bike because I wanted different ones. So I went online and I found some shifters. I found some shifters that could work because I have a bike is two gears in the front, you got 8 in the back. It's kind of weird. Most bikes now have 10 in the back. So I found these. These are entry level. I ordered them online and I got them yesterday for my aunt. Went to her house, got some pickups. Um, Came back here, had to take the bar tape off. I had to take all the cables out, take these off, take them off. I had to, I had to put the new ones on. I had to redo all the cables. I wasn't really sure where they went. And then I had to do this the same way this side. I took the tape off, and then I took the other shifter off there, put the new shifter on, put all the new cables, tried to retape it, but I don't really know what I'm doing. Went out and rolled my bike. I went out and rode my bike back in. There's a huge difference. I can shift from the drops, and I feel so fast when I'm going down on the road. I can wave at everybody. Uh,
You have anything else to add, John?
I don't know. The fall won't hurt him or will hurt him at all.